Here is a question to get us started. Have you ever wished you had a stylish and a versatile wardrobe without breaking the bank? In this lecture, we are going to explore how to build an effective business casual wardrobe that meets your needs without overspending. Not only this, but we will also discuss how to identify essential pieces and prioritize budgets strategically. Doing this will allow you to get ready to plan a polished and affordable wardrobe. After completing this lecture, you will be able to plan a business casual wardrobe with essential items that work well together. Budget for quality pieces that provide value without overspending. Make informed choices about where to invest in your wardrobe. Before you start budgeting, you must identify the core pieces you need for a business casual wardrobe. These essentials create a foundation that you can mix and match easily. Common basics include tops, button-down shirts, blouses, and a couple of neutral sweaters. For bottoms, dress pants, chinos, or skirts in versatile colors like black, navy, or grey. Outer layers, a blazer and a cardigan for layering and adding structure. Shoes, loafers, flats, or low heels that are comfortable for all-day wear. These foundational items provide the basis for various outfits, giving you flexibility without needing a large wardrobe. Style expert Stacey London advises choosing pieces that work well together, allowing you to maximize outfit options while keeping costs low. When it comes to business casual, quality matters more than quantity. High quality pieces last longer and tend to fit better, hold their shape, and maintain their color. Look for materials like cotton, wool, and durable blends which stand up well to regular wear. Investing in quality items for key pieces like blazer or dress shoes pay off in the long run by reducing the need for frequent replacement. Textile consultant Anna Field explains that buying fewer but better pieces save money over time. She suggests focusing on quality for items you will wear often, like pants or blouses, as these pieces form the backbone of your wardrobe. Once you've identified your essential pieces, set a budget that aligns with your financial goals. A helpful approach is to divide your budget into 3 categories. For example, tops, 20 to 30% of your budget; bottoms, 20 to 25% of your budget; outer layers, 25 to 30% of your budget; shoes and accessories, 15 to 20% of your budget. This breakdown allows you to focus your spending on the item that matters most for your wardrobe. Allocate a bit more for versatile, high-use items such as blazer or high-quality shoes and save on accessories that can be bought affordably. Smart shopping habits can help you stick to your budget while still finding quality pieces. Here are some tips. Wait for sales. Many retailers offer seasonal sales where you can find quality items at a discount. Shop strategically during these times to get the best deals on essentials. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores and online resale sites often have high quality business casual items at a fraction of the original cost. Choose versatile colors. Neutrals like black, navy, and grey are easy to pair with various outfits, so you can get more wear from each item. Avoid impulse buys. Stick to your list of essentials and avoid buying items that do not fit your wardrobe plan, even if they're on a sale. A business casual wardrobe does not have to be built all at once. In fact, gradually adding pieces can make the process more manageable and budget friendly. Start with the most essential items like a pair of dress pants, a couple of shirts, and add other items as your budget allows. This approach lets you focus on quality and makes sure each purchase aligns with your style and needs. Think of your wardrobe as a house. Just as you wouldn't build an entire house in a day, you do not need to buy all your clothes at once. Each piece is like a brick, helping you build a strong and versatile foundation over time. This steady approach allows you to make thoughtful choices and ensures that each brick adds value to your wardrobe. Set a monthly or seasonal budget for adding to your wardrobe. List 3 essential items you plan to buy within this budget and note when you might look for them on sale or secondhand. Building a strong wardrobe takes time and thoughtful planning, but each step brings you closer to a versatile, polished look that fits your budget. Apart from that, we covered how to plan and budget for a business casual wardrobe. Alright, tell us, what's one item you would prioritize buying for your business casual wardrobe? How would it add to the versatility or quality of your wardrobe? We're looking forward to seeing an insightful comment section. That marks the end of this lecture. In the next one, we will unveil another aspect of business casual, so see you there.